There's houses that I walk into and I'm like, this, you think it's gonna work? But this one honestly just works. Now, this is a 2-bedroom home with a flex that we're seeing here in the Regency with Toll Brothers here in Everrange. Now, this is an exclusive luxury gated community, and I will tell you, they did all the stops without having to break the bank. Let's go check out this beautiful floor plan. Come on. We're gonna of course see it first, but of course, you know, I'm going to give my opinion first. So let's see some of my favorite features that I really do like about this floor plan. And I'd love to get your take on it as well. And of course, you'll see them throughout the video when you're doing the full tour at the very end. So stay tuned for that full tour, but let's go show you my favorite features. Come on. Let's just talk about the floor plan and the spacing in general. So in a lot of these 55 and better communities, I feel like it's just like a shotgun home, I guess is kind of what we're all used to calling them. But I just feel like everything's just a runway basically to the very end. Well, with this, what I do like is actually you get to change up a little bit. Let me show you. So you have your kitchen over here, which is fabulous, great location. I love looking out while I don't wash dishes, but while someone else washes my dishes. And over here, you have your dining, and then you have your living, where typically in a lot of these neighborhoods, I feel like you see the kitchen clumped together with the dining, clumped together with the living room, which yes, I understand that will get you deeper on the lot, but I would rather have it a little bit more like this. This just seems more practical. 1, hostability. 2, just feeling in general, like feeling open and airy. And of course, natural light, you guys already know that I was gonna love that about it. But it's more about the spacing of things. And I feel like also, I don't feel like the dining room is right on top of the kitchen, which I feel like is what I see when they're trying to be these 55 and better communities. They're just gonna squish you into a small box. No one puts baby in a corner and no one puts mama in a tiny little box. My mom would absolutely hate that. But this floor plan would seriously work. Honestly, it would probably work for my own parents because you need the only one flex room. They don't need a 4-bedroom house. I mean, when you get to a certain age, you don't want to clean that much. I don't want to clean what I already have, but thankfully I have 2 little small maids at home. One of them is great at destroying, the other one is good at cleaning up. They're 13, so they should be good at it. Another thing, again, with all the spacing is everything, honestly, in a floor plan. But even the distance between this and the bathroom, like I feel like is so much better. You already know my windows, I love it. Got attacked by a flower in the middle. But this doesn't feel too cramped. You have a pretty large, about half like toilet room, throne room in there. Beautiful shower. For some reason, see that one has a rain shower, but it doesn't have a middle, but you guys would understand if you watch all my videos. Like and subscribe. All right, I did it. Big, huge closet. Let me show you this because I feel like people put them like in 55 and better communities too small, like you guys don't have any clothes or something. If anything I've learned, the older I've gotten, the more clothes I acquire and I want to change into often, especially by then, I'll have so much money because that's why I call you guys 55 and better because I'm gonna be so much better when I'm your age. All right, so the closet. And of course, this is an upgrade. You can get this done or get this done after as well. But I feel like this is really good space. Like typically, you know, you have your tiny little dinky closets that they give you or 2 dinky closets, but this is actually a really nice size. Here you go, my arm span. It's big, right? I mean, I'm 5'3" and I think that that's the length of your arms, I don't know, but really good size closets. Now I do enjoy how the laundry room is kind of centralized a little bit, but what I don't enjoy is I really wish, I know the closet's on this side, but there's an HVAC there, but I want access to my laundry room. I just prefer that. Or maybe 55 and better, you guys have people doing it for you. And do they still call them au pairs if you use them as an adult or do you just do a live-in maid? I don't know. When my personal assistant, home assistant, there we go, personal home assistant, could live in the front room and do all your stuff in your laundry, that'd be great. But I do like the spacing again. Another fact of how you have these laundry rooms that would stop right here, where this gives you a little bit more breathing room. You can actually have some storage in here for other home essential needs too. Oh my gosh, is it time for the home tour already? Man, I wish I had more opinions to give. Actually, I have a lot of opinions to give. If you ever end up doing a discovery tour with me, I love to give my opinion. But we are about to go in to the thing you've been waiting for, which is actually to see this entire floor plan from front 2 back, and they decked it all out. So I can't wait to show you guys, but I did want to go ahead and take a slight little break and say, hi, my name is Demi Judd. I'm a born and raised local here in Northeast Florida, but it's more than that. I love helping families relocate to the area. Even if you're a local currently, I like to help you become more of a local. I love to show you the spots that you don't know about, the hidden back roads, or maybe find the perfect community because there's so many options it could just feel overwhelming. Well, I'm here to help with that. I love helping either if your kids already moved down or maybe you're the first one to step foot and break the soil and just rip off the Band-Aid to move here, or maybe the kids already did it and you just want to be closer to the grandkids, or maybe you're running away from all of it, which I commend you for. I might do the same one day, we'll find out. But my name is Demi Judd and I help relocate families here and I help them find home, and I would love to help you as well. But if you haven't already liked and subscribed to the channel, I would love to meet you. I'll actually, in the description, have a link where we could actually talk face-to-face, plan a discovery tour where I actually show you everything that Northeast Florida has to offer based on your wants and your needs, because maybe Everrange, the Regency might be perfect for you, or maybe we need to go a different direction and pivot. So let's have a conversation and break those down. And of course, what you've been waiting for. Let's see this beautiful model. Go ahead, Demi, take it off. Absolutely, let's get started. I'll make you guys a deal, okay? If I make this putt, you have to buy a house with me. Come on. Pinky promise. All right, let's go. Now, this is just one of multiple models that they have here in Everrange in the Regency, the luxury 55 and better community. Now, they will have their own amenity center as well as be invited to go to the Grove, which is going to be the main amenity center of this beautiful new park group neighborhood of Everrange. And I can't wait to showcase it to you guys and go through this entire journey as they're starting and coming up off the ground and building this amazing area up, which is going to be a total in Everrange of about 2,500 homes. So I can't wait for you guys, at least, to come along with me on the journey, because I got to have the opportunity to watch E-Town develop. And I mean, from a kid watching Nocatee develop. So I can't wait to bring you guys along for the journey to watch Everrange develop together. But in all seriousness, my name is Demi Judd. I'm a mom, I'm a local, and I also happen to be a relocation specialist for here in Northeast Florida. And I love teaching people everything my area has to offer, whether it's in St. Johns County, Duval County, Clay County. There's a ton of options, both established and new construction, and just finding the perfect one for you is a process. But I make it just a little bit easier and help you become a local in those areas. But if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to get all the tea on Northeast Florida. Not only St. Johns County. And of course, you know I am a born and raised local to the area, and so I'm happy to show you guys around personally or even in video. So if there's ever an area that I have not talked about it, please comment it below, because I'd be happy to show it off and share everything this area has to offer. And you guys always know, my name is Demi Judd, and I'm here to help you become a local in no time. If it's your first video, you'll catch on. I'll see you guys